Welcome to Premath. In this video tutorial, we are going to solve this given nested radical problem. And as you can see in this problem, we got a radical of 3 and then we got another radical of 3 inside that one, and once again radical of 3, and the list goes on and on and on. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution. And here I have copied it down over here. And now let's go ahead and set this one x equal to this quantity. And now let's take the square on both sides. Square on this one and square on this one as well. And now we are going to use this fact. The square of the square root of 3 equal to 3, because this square and square root, they undo each other. So this ends up with 3. Now let's go ahead and take care of this equation. Now this is going to become x square equal to this square, and this square root undo each other. So we ended up this 3 outside this radical. So 3 times the radical of all this thing. Let me go ahead and write down 3 times the radical of 3, and again the radical of 3. List goes on and on. And now let's focus on this part over here. These are the infinitely many radicals, and these are infinitely many nested radicals as well. So since this is equal to x, then we can set this one equal to x as well. So this is simply is going to become x square equal to 3 times x. Now let's go ahead and move this 3x on the left hand side. So x square minus 3x equal to 0, and here we can factor x out, so become x times x minus 3 equal to 0. And as we are running out of space, I have just copied it down over here. Let's go ahead and separate them. I can write them as x equal to 0 or x minus 3 equal to 0. And now we know that x equal to 0 is not possible because this is not equal to 0. Therefore, we are going to accept this x minus 3 equal to 0 option. So that is going to give us x equal to 3. So x equal to 3 means I'm going to replace this x equal to 3. That means this whole quantity equals to 3. So thus our answer turns out to be 3. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.